All right, guys, we got a 2013 Dodge Challenger SRT 8 6.4 liter beast. Got factory converters there and there. Got factory X pipe right there. And what we did on it is put some DYNOMAX race bullets, part number 24215 on this side and on this side. Then we took off the ugly factory tips and put some quad black chrome. As you guys can see, look at the black chrome on those. Beautiful. There and there. There'll be a link in the description. He had some fake Flowmasters on it, another shop put on. Don't ever get the knockoffs, guys. They don't sound good. Don't you agree? They don't sound good, right? They don't sound good. There's the factory tips that were on it. We cut them off. That's what it looks like. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, subscribe. Much better. What'd you say?
She back.
She's back. Go ahead. Oh, much better.
Okay.
There's sound decibels. Go ahead. 6.4, 113. Go ahead and back it out. With quad. Look at that black chrome. That sounds so good. Sounds so nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Scat Pack SRT 8. Let's see if you make it.